Plastic surgery is more than just aesthetics. It's about confidence, self-care, and transformative results. Whether you're looking for a surgical procedure or a non-invasive treatment, the expert team at Wilmington Plastic Surgery and Med Spa is here to help you achieve your goals. Let's sit down with one of their plastic surgeons and learn how they can help you achieve a more confident you. I'm here at Wilmington Plastic Surgery with Dr. Adam Glenner. He's their newest plastic surgeon. Dr. Glenner, would you mind telling us about the services that you provide for your patients?
Of course. Here at Wilmington Plastic Surgery, we have the opportunity to provide both surgical and non-surgical services. Some of those surgical services are breast procedures, like breast cancer procedures, breast augmentations, lifts or reductions. When we think about body procedures, we think about mommy makeovers, tummy tucks, or surgery after massive weight loss. And then there are facial procedures where we think about eyelid surgery, brow lifts, or face and neck lifts. Looking at the non-surgical side of things, we also offer our patients medical grade skincare, lasers, injectables, and cool sculpting, all of which really mend together quite well.
Great. There are so many options out there when it comes to cosmetic surgery. What sets Wilmington Plastic Surgery apart from all the other options?
Well, Wilmington Plastic Surgery is one of the longest standing medical services here in Wilmington. We've been taking care of patients in this area for more than 30 years, and it's just that, we take care of our patients. From the moment you call us to well after your procedure's over, we are here for you in any way that you need us. More importantly, like we touched on before, we have that ability to provide really impressive medical and surgical cosmetic services. And those two opportunities are oftentimes synergistic in that 1 + 1 doesn't equal 2, it equals 3, and both of them help each other quite nicely.
Now, you mentioned both surgical and non-surgical options. Tell us about the facilities here at Wilmington Plastic Surgery.
Of course. We have 2 facilities right now. Our facility, that's our main facility, is off Military Cutoff Trail. That's where we have our main medical spa facility, and where we also see the majority of our consults, whether new or follow-up patients. We're currently sitting here in our Canterwood location, closer to the hospital, where we also have the ability to see patients, but we have our 2 state-of-the-art Quad A certified operating rooms behind us, where we do all of our cosmetic surgeries. And then as an exciting kind of teaser, we're also looking to expand a location into Jacksonville, North Carolina, so please stay tuned for any updates about that.
And do you offer any non-medical procedures?
Yeah, we offer procedures over at our medical spa that include cool sculpting or lasers with really limited recovery, medical grade skincare, Botox, injectables, and everything else you can imagine.
What sort of trends are you seeing in plastic surgery?
You know, that's a great question, Christina. And I think we're seeing a trend towards a more natural, restorative, refined look. Where, for example, in breast surgery, I've been putting in much smaller implants over the past few years. And I think that gets to women wanting to look more like themselves, but a more refined version of themselves, and a little bit less like someone else. For facial procedures, we're actually seeing a trend towards an earlier intervention. A more preventative take on a face or a neck lift done at an earlier age can offer longer term results. And getting onto that, the most impressive trend we've seen is preventative cosmetic medicine. And that means early intervention with non-invasive procedures that we offer at our medical spa, like Botox, fillers, lasers, or skincare, all of which can really stave off the need for surgical procedures, and if you do find yourself in need for it, oftentimes enhances the results that we can deliver for you.
Another question, are your services for both men and women?
Absolutely, and not just men and women, of all ages too. I think that plastic surgery can be for anybody who's in need of it.
Well, thank you so much for sharing all this wonderful information with us.
It's been a pleasure.
Your aesthetic goals are within reach, and Wilmington Plastic Surgery and Med Spa has a treatment option for you. For more information or to schedule a consultation, go to wilmingtonplasticsurgery.com. That's wilmingtonplasticsurgery.com. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.